A lot of detailing chemicals are bad for the environment. But what if I told you that there are 2 USDA approved products that are biodegradable and safe for the environment? I'm going to use 2 today, a shampoo and an all-purpose cleaner. Here are 2 new products that I picked up recently at MTE down in Florida. The company is called BioWorks, and they are the first and only USDA environmentally friendly products. So we're going to use the shampoo today, which is a highly concentrated shampoo. Extremely thick. It smells incredible. The next product is an all-purpose cleaner, and don't be fooled by an environmentally safe cleaner. This is pretty powerful stuff. It can be used both interior and exterior. So I'm going to use it as the pre-wash, the tire and wheel cleaner, as well as an interior cleaner. Now granted, this is not going to get every single thing clean all the time. There's going to be instances where you need to use other detailing chemicals that aren't going to be environmentally friendly. Balance what you need to use in your workspace and in your area, because there are some chemicals that just can't tackle everything. Now, as we look around the vehicle, you see that we have a lot of damage on this poor little Prius. Lots of things that we can't do anything about. The wheels are shot, they need to be repainted. The back gloss panels are also failing, so they need to be repainted. And there's just other issues around the vehicle that we're not going to tackle today because it's not part of this detailing service. But what we are going to focus on is cleaning it inside and out and protecting the exterior. And for the protection, we're going to use Next Level Car Care ceramic spray wax. And you don't want to miss a minute of this video. There are tons of valuable tips and tricks and advice that I share throughout every single one of my videos.
Our new favorite soap is this. Not only does it foam incredibly well, but it's super concentrated and it only needs 1 ounce for a 32-ounce foam cannon to foam up at least 2 to 3 vehicles. That is if you're using it sparingly. It smells incredible. It's super slick, and best of all, it's natural and won't harm the environment and your hands. By the way, please consider subscribing if you aren't already, and click that bell so you get notifications for our new videos. And if you're not receiving notifications and keep missing our new videos, well, it's because YouTube has royally screwed up and changed everyone's notifications. Please double check to make sure that they're correct so you don't miss stuff. So we begin our detail as always, a thorough rinse, an APC rinse to really do the bulk of the cleaning and remove the majority of dirt and grime from the paint, then our contact wash to remove that final little bit of film on the paint. Now, as we contact wash, we also use a clay towel to mechanically decon the paint and remove any gritty particles. We also use a clay bar for the bottom portions because the clay is less aggressive and the bottom sections usually need a little extra to remove heavier surface contamination. This is a super effective and efficient way to clean and decon simultaneously. Now, remember that pre-wash phase? Well, because of that, the paint does not have a lot of heavy grit or dirt that will drag across the paint, causing swirls or scratches. Give it a try. Follow all the steps and see how it works for you. During the wash and decon phase, we also make sure to use an APC in the jams and rinse them out.
So this foam has some real staying power, which is awesome. Very impressed with it so far. Now, as far as cleaning ability, I really don't rely on the shampoos to clean necessarily because our pre-wash is so effective. It's hard to tell if the soap is actually cleaning. But even without really knowing if the soap cleans well or not, I believe that it does because of what I see happening here on the paint. But so far, I'm very happy with the quality of the soap the fact that it is biodegradable and safe, so I don't have to worry about my hands. The foaming is excellent, and the soap really clings to the vehicle, as you can see.
For the wheels and tires, I diluted the all-purpose cleaner 1 to 10. If you need more cleaning power, you can bump it up to 1 to 4 or 1 to 5. Of course, this cleaner can be used for both interior and exterior, so dilute appropriately. The paint is now clean, smooth, and dry. Time to add protection. I'm using Next Level ceramic spray wax. If you want to see this line of detailing products from Next Level, check out the video in the card. Now the nastiest part of this job was the mats. Lots of sand and dog hair. It definitely took some time to clean out the sand. Our final step in cleaning these mats was to extract them. Well, if you made it this far in the video, it means that you're enjoying these videos. Again, please consider subscribing if you aren't already and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. And if you're not receiving notifications and keep missing our videos, it's because YouTube has royally screwed up and changed everyone's notifications. Please double check to make sure that they're correct so you don't miss stuff.